Noodles Production.
Try to keep it close, kind of close, so you can hear me. Flop, put on slop. Check this out. I wrote it down so I know when it comes in. Shout out to Dream Chase, you know what it is. What's good? In the studio here with Mike and Biggie, stick to it. Alright, in my hometown, I remember back then when I was just a kid. Back in the banks where I never lived. Oh shit, my heart just aches in this place. My soul, I lost it to the devil when the Illuminati came and took it all away. I remember back then when I was happy watching Disney, watching Cartoon Network, see, just as a kid a G. Now I remember when those gang bangers took over my city, throwing seats, KGBs. Man, you know how it is over there, that shit ain't good. I'm just trying to live my life right here. All I know is that one day that I'ma make it big, so I'ma shine to the top. I ain't ever gonna stop. If I do, then I'm gonna pop, lock and drop it just like a girl just fucking does it. I gotta do it somewhere. I gotta make that money today. Shout out to my ex that I love. She broke my heart in dips, but I'ma take the shit and I'ma go with it. If my life just goes to an extent, I'm gonna make this shit last, cause I don't know why I live in the past too much.
Back in the day, yeah, my homies all we do is fucking smoke, watch the jakes. Yeah, the fucking fakes walking down the shot blocks. Tote guns, yeah, shooting, smoking shot rocks. Them niggas ain't on shit, they just pussies. Running up and down, yeah, throwing up the cussies. Yeah, I said fucking pussies. Don't have shit on my mind but this fucking pussy. Yeah, I smoke weed, throw up L's, yeah, pop pills. I do all this shit, I'm a fucking trail. I keep the trail life for no life, that's deal life, real life, whole life, that's my life. Yeah, my niggas, yeah, we go hard on the fucking beat. Me, Mike and Mondo, rapping in the fucking street, making fucking videos of Lily and the other hoes, smoking on the coke. Yeah, what the fuck? I just started smoking.
Mike's recording.
As a baby, mama had to leave me to go get drunk. She would always have fun and I would always be crying. She would leave me dying, a home inside alone. I never thought that shit would be fun. Man, daddy wouldn't give a fuck about me. Daddy would always be out with this fucking lady, leaving me his baby. I don't really give a fuck, he's a fucking bitch. He's always leaving me money for his fucking lady. He doesn't give a fuck about me, no my sisters, no my mama. He cheated on my mom with my fucking aunt. Who the fuck knew that? I don't give a fuck!
Yeah, slide to the side, let a flyer guy in as I light that ass up like a firefly in. Put hot shit out like a firefight 10 at my funeral. You couldn't be as live as I am, and I promise I am. My swag ain't even from this motherfucking planet, I'm surprised that I am. These niggas wanna battle me, but not like serious, cause I'm the best dot, but dot like period in my hometown. Yeah.
Yeah. Dream Chase, you know what it is. Get with it or get lost. You know how it is. I'm gonna jump right back on this for the last couple of seconds. I'm gonna dedicate this last part to my ex. In my hometown. Hold up. In my hometown. Nah, fuck it, I can't. It's already done. Anyways, Goon Squad, Dream Chase, get with it.
Peace.